All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So certainly, certainly. Confident. Confident about something that is true. Yes, certainly. Yeah. I'll be there certainly. It certainly was him. Yeah, he needs to certainly read this book. He needs to certainly read this book. He has to read this book. I'm confident he has to. They'll certainly know what to do. They will know what to do. I am certain they will know. They are certainly smarter than this. I'm certainly going to do that. She will certainly go there. It will certainly now work in this weather. Yeah. How cool is that? So he will certainly know where to go. He will certainly know where to go. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, I am certainly, he certainly did like the flowers. He certainly liked the lesson. I'm writing the next novel. Certainly. Very much so. Yes. Most certainly I will need to record more lessons. Yes. Most certainly I will need to record. And most certainly all the videos will be recorded and uploaded. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So they will go there and certainly be easy. So when he comes here, he certainly will be late. Yeah, he certainly will be late. He's always late. He certainly will be late coming here. He certainly will be late coming here. Yeah, how cool is that? Oops. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. He certainly made his way to the top without any doubt. That is where he is. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, certainly. So, can you use certainly in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. So you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.